So let's consider this question, friends, where though a circle and a square is visible and at face value it doesn't look like it has anything to take with triangles, but if you go on to solve this question, this uses the properties of special triangles. I suggest before you play the solution part of this explanation, try to give this question an honest attempt yourself. So the question says that in the figure below, the rectangle at the corner measures 10 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So that means the question is talking about this rectangle, 10 centimeter into 20 centimeter. And from the look of it, this looks like 10 and this part looks like 20. The corner A of the rectangle is also a point on the circumference of the circle. So this circle A lies on the circle itself. And we have to find the radius of this circle from this much information. So now go on and give it an attempt. So now friends, if you have to solve this question, what can I do? The very obvious wrong answer which many students mark is cannot be determined. So they go on and mark none of these, whereas this will lead them to wrong result. In order to solve this question, let us first of all draw two radii. Let's say this is O, this is P and this is Q. So we know that OP will be equal to OQ, which is equal to R. And from O, if we draw a line which connects O to A, we have also got another radius, OA. Now by using this, we can solve this question quite easily. Now let's drop a perpendicular from A on OQ and another perpendicular from A on OP. And let us call this, we have got PQ, let's call this R and this is S. So what is the length of OR? Friends, OQ is clearly R and this part is 20. So if that part is 20, this part will also be 20. And therefore OR is R minus 20. In the same fashion, we can find the value of OS. This length is 10. So that makes PS also as 10. And from there, OS will be R minus 10. And now we can put all these values in Pythagoras equation. But for which triangle? So you can take any triangle. Let's take triangle ARO. In triangle ARO, we have AR equals to OS equals to R minus 10. We have RO, we have already got as R minus 20, and we have OA equals to R. So putting all these values in Pythagoras equation, in Pythagoras theorem, we'll get our answer. R minus 10 whole square plus R minus 20 whole square equals to R square. Though this looks like a lengthy equation, please do not solve this equation, and rather than solving this equation, put the values over here and you will get your answer. From different options, just put the values and you will get your answer. But then again, you should keep one thing in mind. If you put R equals to 10 here, LHS will become equal to RHS. R equals to 10 will make this 0, this as 10 square and this also as 10 square. But the moment you put R equals to 10, this within the bracket the length will become negative. Keep in mind that we are taking squares of length, of measures of length of certain sides, and length cannot be negative. This option therefore will be ruled out. But if you put R equals to 50, we have 50 minus 10, 40 square plus 50 minus 20, 30 square equals to 50 square. Pythagoras triplet of 3, 4, 5 and its 10th multiple. So that makes 50 centimeter option C as the right answer for the value of radius.